So over here, you can see that I got some random scenes right here, just like this across the timeline. I can go ahead and resize this out according to how I want. Now, let's say what I want to do is I want to actually go ahead and add in a background music to this. In that case, you can easily go ahead and find stock music as you want and then keep it across the scene as needed. So to do that, you simply need to go to stock right here. And then what you can do right here is go back onto the main page, and then over here you can see that music is an option. So let's just go around over here, and you can see that there's different sort of musics that you can select from. So let's just go around over here onto bright, let's say for example, and then once you go ahead and select it, there's different sort of music right here. Let me just go ahead and play and preview out this music right here. Let's say I want another music, so I'm just going to go around and play this one. And this one. So let's say I want this one. So I can simply go ahead and insert the audio right here, and it comes up to this clip. Then I can go ahead and click and drag it on to the beginning right here. And then from the beginning, what happens is that this is what you have. So if I were to go around over here, on to the beginning right here. So I'm going to keep my timeline on the beginning itself. Then if I were to press the play button now, that is how you actually go ahead and hear it out. And that is how you can go ahead and add in stock music and keep it across multiple scenes as needed inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.